Okay, so we got to talk about Sofi. So this morning when I was recording my Affirm video, I got an alert that Oppenheimer has released a price update on Sofi. So when I clicked, it says, and I'm going to share it with everyone right here, as you can see, right here. I don't know if you can see or not, but Oppenheimer analyst Dominic has actually given a price target of $18 from $28. Now, in the last, I would say 2 to 3 months, we have seen huge price target changes from these analysts, somewhere giving all the way from $30 to about $16.50, then coming out and revising their price target to about $18, $20, $24, all over the place. I have mentioned in my previous videos that I don't care about the price target for analysts. I look at their reports because their reports sometimes have information that you and I as retail investors might not have access to. So the latest price target, my phone just locked. Okay, so the latest price target have given me or told me one thing. Anytime an analyst comes out and gives a price target, don't give a damn, don't hear about it, don't pay attention to it, because at the end of the day, it's not the price target that matters that the stock has right now in the future. Because what's going to happen is that when we come out of these market situations, we are going to see Sofi perform really well, especially with the bank charter right now. Now, in my last video, I talked about the risk of Sofi. Now, any investment, doesn't matter if it's Sofi or if it's a firm or if it's Apple or if it's Tesla, they all come with risk. And as investors and as a YouTuber who talks about a stock all the time, I think it's my responsibility in a way to come out and share with everyone what I feel are the risks of the video. Now, I read some comments where people were mentioning that, you know what, you were so bullish on Sofi and now you're giving out and you are spreading rumors about Sofi. It's a great company. I never said it's not a great company. I never said it's not a great stock. I hold 11,000 stock or shares of Sofi. I have over 100 calls, I would say, of Sofi for 2023. I have about 100 puts on Sofi that I purchased, cash secured puts. So I have a lot of money invested in Sofi, and I'm not saying that it's not a great company, but all of these companies come with a risk. But pay attention to this particular one right here, what the analyst is saying and how the analyst is actually contradicting themselves. Take a look here. So the analyst right here, I'm going to start reading, if you can see at this point, right at says the analyst. Okay, so I'm going to start reading from here. So the analyst continues to expect volatility in Sofi shares, but thinks the company has a better business combination than other newly listed fintechs and SpecFin actually. Now, this is funny because from $28 to $18, the price target, that's a huge drop for a stock which is like $28 to come out and give $18. Yet they think Sofi is very strong going forward. So what's going to happen is that in next month or month and a half, that's when I feel that all these stocks like Sofi, Affirm will actually hit the bottom and then they will start trading up, are going to come out and they are going to revise their earnings. They are going to come out and they will start revising their earnings to another $25 or $30. And what's going to happen is we retail investors, those who will look at these price targets and will decide, you know what, this is really crazy. I bought the stock at $18 and now they're saying the price target is $18 and I'm under the water, I'm going to get out. We are going to miss out on this stock. I know some of us are long-time investors. I talk to our group in Discord all the time and they are analyzing Sofi like crazy. And I agree with many of them. Some of them have given so much insight on the stock that this stock is like trades like a big company where the algos are all over the place. It won't let the stock move over $12. Like yesterday, that was happening. The stock would not go over $12. As soon as it hit $12, all of a sudden we have this huge sell, or where the people were just selling the stock left and right, or not people, but the machines were selling the stock left and right, and the stock would drop below to $12, $11.90, $11.94, and then would try to come back to 12 and then will come down again. So here's what's going on, and this is my take on price targets that are released for Sofi. Especially, I cover some other companies and they have price targets. Some of them actually hold value. But Sofi price target are nothing more than just creating fear in the market, because these analysts, these companies that they work for, they hold huge positions on Sofi. They release the price target, the market panics, they sell, these companies come out and buy, and when the stock does better, goes up maybe $1, $2, or 10% or 12%, they will come out and they will revise their earnings that the stock is going to be now $20. And all of a sudden, those who sold that $18 price target thinking, my God, it's overpriced, now is going to come back and will buy at the high prices. This is the game. Don't fall in the trap. Follow your conviction, your DD on the stock and on the company. Sofi, in my opinion, personal opinion, and I'm not speaking for anybody here, nobody paid me. Actually, I got a funny comment on my previous video. So I did a combination, or I would say comparison, not combination, the comparison between PayPal and SoFi and how PayPal earnings told us about SoFi earnings coming forward with the member growth. And somebody said and commented that, you know, how much PayPal paid you? I wish PayPal paid me. I'm not that big right now where PayPal would come and sponsor videos for me. But nobody pays me anything to make these videos. This is my own DD. This is my own opinion. And of course, I have full right to say what I want to say. So that's why I'm saying that SoFi is a great company for the future. In the next few weeks or few months until we get to that FOMC meeting where we will have the first rate hike, we will see these small cap companies suffer. But Russell 2000 did really well in the last 4 days. It actually has been a positive in the last 4 days. So I think we are going to see some volatility in the coming days. But these price targets are senseless. Don't pay attention to those. Focus on the long term, because I know in the next 2 years, we will be sitting back and watching this video and laughing on these price target for $18. This is a great company with great execution and a great future. I hope I provided some value. It was a quick video that I wanted to share with everyone, as these price targets are nothing but just some BS. Don't fall for the trap, and I hope to see you soon in the next video. Until next time, you all have a sparkling day.